Good morning, grade 1. Now that you have finished answering your workbook exercises, let's try and check it. Take your red colored pencil or any other colored pencil for checking. Are you ready? All right, number 1, live. L-I-V-E, live. Number 2, big. B-I-G, big. Number 3, play. P-L-A-Y, play. Number 4, best. B-E-S-T, best. Number 5, shallow. C-E-L-L-O, shallow. Number 6, world. W-O-R-L-D, world. Number 7, know. K-N-O-W, know. Let's move to part B. Dan wants to know how to swim. Know. The family wants to live in America. Live. Yo-Yo Ma likes to play the cello. Play and cello. Moving on, we are now on page 114. Number 1, the answer is town, cow, town. Number 2, the answer is round, cow, round. Number 3, the answer is how, cow, how. Right, we're now on part 2 of the phonics exercise. Number 4, this should be easy. Whale, whale. Number 5, wheel, wheel. And number 6, where, where. Now we move on to page 115. You're supposed to reread the story so that you will be able to answer the questions below. All right, number 1. Yo-Yo wanted to play the cello. Cello. His cello was too big. Big. Yo-Yo had to sit on big books to play the cello. Or you can write, Yo-Yo had to sit on books to play the cello. Big books or books. Now for page 116, I'd like you to leave it for me to chat because there could be a lot of possible answers and I will be the one who will try and see if your answer is correct. If you have finished checking your work, try and see how far you did and go back also to reading 1 to see if you have finished answering everything. Thank you. I hope you did well.